Good day, sir. We are here to present our conceptual ERD of our system, which is the Veterinary Clinic Management System. Next. So the proposed veterinary clinic management system is a web-based platform designed to automate operations for multi-branch veterinary clinics, especially Pure Care Veterinary Clinic. This system addresses gaps in existing solutions, such as scheduling conflicts or double bookings, lack of real-time data synchronization, poor inventory management, and disjointed workflows.
Okay. Currently, clinics like Farker rely on paper records and disconnected software, leading to scheduling conflicts, lost data, medication shortages, and efficient workflows. The system will implement key functionalities including online appointment scheduling, automated SMS reminders, digital pet health records, real-time inventory tracking with expiration and low stock alerts, multi-branch data synchronization, and automated reports generation. The goal of the system is to create a complete solution that will enhance operational efficiency and will deliver better veterinary care services. Next.
So this is our list of entities. So we have the pet owners, the clinic staff, pet, the appointments, vaccination, clinic branch, consent forms, and payments. Next.
These are the list of relationships between entities. For the pet owners and pet, the relationship is owns. Next is receive for the pets and vaccination, attends for pets and appointments, requires for appointments to consent forms, generates to appointments and payments, then schedules for appointments and clinic branch, assigns for clinic branch and clinic staff, and then lastly handles for clinic staff and appointments. Like,
Your mic.
Lo, okay na? Lumuro ko? Lolo.
Gina,
So,
sina.
ito po yung first na diagram po namin, sir. At ito po may, yung changes namin. So, ayun sa last discussion po, um, hindi na po namin sinali yung mga may reports na entities tulad ng inventory, inventory transactions, at saka yung service transactions. So, so pet owners owns pets. So, yung pet owners ay ni-register nila yung pets nila sa isang clinic. So, pets receive vaccination. So, sa vaccination, nakadepende depende po kung anong dates at anong vaccine types. So, pets attends appointments. So, every appointments like grooming and grooming vaccination at boarding. So every appointments, so it requires consent forms. So appointments, schedule, clinic branch. So ang pet owners ay mag-decide kung saang branch sila magpa-schedules. So clinic branch assigns clinic staff and clinic staff handles appointments. So appointments generates payments. So, yun lang, sir.
Outro.